This is the DMP AMG style Mercedes steering wheel from Accessories International. We're going to show you how to remove the airbag cover. So first step is getting a screwdriver that has just a flat head on the top. That's going to make it easiest to maneuver the spring position so that you can actually pop the airbag cover off. With the screwdriver, you'll feel a small groove where you can kind of just push through, and from there you'll feel a spring, and as soon as you push up against the spring, it'll activate and release the airbag from the front. That'll be half. You got to go to the other side and do the exact same thing. And actually, you can see a small groove here where the screwdriver almost just sort of falls into. You gently push right up into that groove and the screwdriver will easily pop through, and then same deal, you'll feel it, it'll pop right off, and from there you'll be able to remove that airbag. When you look at it from the front end, when you stick the screwdriver through the hole, you can see it come up here, and actually when we push just up, you'll see it here activating that spring piece. So you want to just position it just right so you can push that up, and as soon as you do, it'll release each side of the airbag cover. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.